The Parking Lot Pimps Car Show took place on Ruthven Road in Kingston recently. We were there, so check out the highlights.
Right now, we're at the baddest event up on Friday. We're talking about parking lot pimping. Yo, and me and OC, Tiggy, just get the microphone. Right now we're here with Shavel Mailer. How are you doing tonight?
I'm doing great.
How's the event for you?
Vibes matter. People them great. Everything just go on. The car them look sick. You see what I'm going to get? Look around. Listen to the car them.
We're parking lot pimping and with some of the patrons, including one of the promoters. How's the event so far?
Great.
What's the event so far?
Shot. It's 7.
I want to ask someone if you can talk.
Yes.
David, how are you doing?
I'm good enough. Just enjoying the show.
How's parking lot pimping? How did it come about? Who are you involved? What's the vibe like right now?
Well, over the past probably 2 or 3 years, we've had car shows and we've had parties. So we decided to bridge the gap and have a car show party. So we showcase cars while having a party at the same time. So it's a pretty car party. So I'm on just pull up, party at them car, dance to them girls, drinking them liquor. But it's about best of both worlds.
Yo, you know the thing right now, DJ Cyclone represent Copper Shot Sound. Right now it's all about parking and pimps. Right now, I tell you the party, if you miss the party, I need to further the next stage. Right now, Pree Dis.
Put a strain on me. That's the reason why I have to put the blame on me. Rather have them dollar bills rain on me.
Dancehall artist Cham is set to release his new album called Lawless early next year. Listen up for the details.
Say I'm too high. Shawty tell me say she want something for climb on. Say she drunk so she want something for wine pan. No teeny weeny man she not waste no time pan. So you know what me she spending every dime pan.
The album is entitled Lawless. The album will be released the first quarter of 2016. So we're shooting for late February, early March. You have 12 tracks, 10 of them is brand new. The next 2 is what you have heard so far from the album, which is Jump Off, I'm To What, and I think Fighter with Damian Marley. That's the only tracks that you know on the album thus far. Every other thing is brand new on the album. Produced by Dave Kelly, the Madhouse family. Madhouse!
How different is Lawless compared to your previous album?
In everything you try to do like every day, you try to grow. You try to improve on every single aspect of your career, of your musical journey, your delivery, your writing craft, your selection of beats. So you just try to grow. With this album now, you see that music on a whole is not selling like that or it used to sell. So basically you have to try new stuff, and I've always been a type of individual that's been pushing the envelope for years. So this album we have a fusion of like dancehall with fresh sounds, EDM sounds and just world sounds, but dancehall. And we're fusing that music, and that's what the kids out in the world are listening. And we have been lucky enough, the few, to really sell records over the years. And we're trying to do that with this album also. Damon Beckett is more of a football type of person. Just sit back every day watching either Liverpool or Barcelona, just in the crib, just vibing. Damon Beckett is the writer. Cham is the performer, so we make Cham go take the hype, dog. Can you hear me?
After this, our third and final commercial break, we'll have the Caribbean video pre-mixed with Lasco, and we'll be rolling out the Pree Dis Top 10 charts. We'll be right back.